Yung snippets na lang muna ilalagay ko. Hindi mo na kami mag-OOP this week. Basta magre-report. Ano comment? Very nice. So yun guys, we're here now. Yung snippets na lang muna ilalagay ko. So if ever na wala kaming vlog, eto na lang yung vlog namin. Hindi mo na kami mag-OOP this week. Kamusta ang magre-report?
Ito pag inulit-ulit ko naman, hindi naman.
Ito pa nagtatanong, Char.
Parang bias ka mga to.
Hindi po.
Anong comment? Very nice. Very bias naman ko Pinerfectan. Anong comment mo atin? Anong comment mo atin sa system namin? Naman.
Rice is one.
Gag. Thank you. Anong comment mo?
Sabi lang.
Patingin.
Siyempre, pwede ba tayo mag-picture kasama yung mga first years natin? So, I would like to say congratulations. So, ayun,
For next week. Oh my god, next week is going to be the last episode for this channel. I'm so sad.